My beautiful island is destroyed. It was destroyed that there's no water. We was with my son in a line since 2 in the morning, a.m. in the morning, to 8 in the morning to have 2 bags of ice. And we have problems trying to find clean water. We was hungry, thirsty, and without no lights. I want to come over because my treatment of cancer, breast cancer, it was stopped. I have 4 chemo, the last 4 chemos I supposed to take, I couldn't take them. And it's going to be 2 months. And I feel that it's kind of dangerous for me. That's why I came over here and I asked for help. I've been having a lot of pain in my heart because I left my family. This organization that have a free plane, private one, brought me here. And since then, I've been here looking for help. It's a lot of progress. It's only 2 weeks I've been here and I already have the food stamps. I don't have it there, but I already applied, and I applied for housing. And now I'm trying to look for an apartment, but I don't have nothing. I don't have money. My income is very low. I receive $570 monthly from the Social Security. So I need a Medicare, Medicaid, and a lot of things that are going to help me to keep going.
This is a story of how community organizations come together to help clients. I received a call from Lydia Callender at the Urban League of Palm Beach County, who informed me that there was a family who was trying to get out a great aunt who had breast cancer, who had been without treatment in Puerto Rico for some time. And did we know of anyone, or do we have the resources to help move people out of Puerto Rico? I reached out to Laura Delgado at Puerto Rico Relief Flight, who connected with the family and got the most glorious text message the following Sunday that Maria had landed here in Palm Beach County and that she had come to our community to seek treatment and care that she needed for her breast cancer. And it was just a remarkable moment knowing that organizations had gathered together, had pulled their efforts, had worked to help one person who's battling a terrible disease, to be able to get to this community to help them and to get them the treatment. From there, I talked to Robert Glass, who works alongside me at Susan G. Komen South Florida, about how can we find care for Maria. And Robert went quick to work.
Sure. Kate sent me an email and said there was somebody who was displaced from Hurricane Maria. And so when I read about Maria and her needs, I thought about the perfect partner that we have. I said, let me call them up, because I know that they want to help people. And so we're working on these collaborative partners in our community so that we can broaden our reach and create this network of support for people when they have a need. And so I was able to reach out to our partner and have a few conversations, and it just took off from there. Basically, they said, sure, they knew it. They learned about Maria, that she was in the middle of her cancer treatments. She had 4 more treatments left. And so they were very interested in helping her. And so within 48 hours, we were able to connect their individuals, their folks who could help her with Maria so that she could begin her treatments within the next week or so. And so it was so exciting to hear that they were so mobile and flexible to respond to the need in such a quick way. And it made me feel great. And I know that it was a pleasure to help Maria now that she's here, and to continue to make sure that she gets the treatment she needs so that she can be healthy and beat this disease.
So this is the work that we do at Susan G. Komen South Florida. It's about addressing community needs. We work with thousands of people who are going through cancer treatment, or who are looking to learn more and get education about breast cancer so that they can seek early detection and survive this disease. Maria is just one case, but it's a case that we anticipate seeing more influx from Puerto Rico as folks move over to our community. So we were really happy to work with the Urban League, to work with Puerto Rico Relief Flight, to work with our health-based partners, and to come alongside as a collective group to help and support Maria through care.
You've heard Maria's story. Now, we at the Urban League, we have a role to play. Komen played a role to help her get back into her chemotherapy, back into her breast cancer treatment. Now, here at the Urban League, we deal with the other side. How do we put a roof over her head? How do we put her someplace where she can be comfortable enough as she transitions here to the United States? With me, I have Lydia back here with me to talk about what the Urban League's role is going to play in bringing her housing now.
So yeah, we actually have reached out to several of our established community partner agencies, and we have received a wonderful cooperation from several, from the West Palm Beach Housing Authority. We've worked with the food bank. We were at the Vicar's House. We've reached out to even the health department to see what resources were available and how we could get her the best level of service and provide wonderful wraparound services to Miss Maria and anyone else who is in need.
Right. So you see, it takes many different organizations to make this all pull together. It's just not the Urban League. It's the Housing Authority. It's the other agencies, the health department. It's any other agency that can assist Miss Maria and others that are coming from Puerto Rico to help them make the transition. We know the devastation in Puerto Rico is a lot, and it's going to be a long-term recovery period. But for those in desperate need, like Miss Maria, who needs that chemotherapy, that chemo treatment for her breast cancer, now's the time where organizations like Komen and the Urban League and any other organizations that can play a role to assist her and others. This is what we do here at the Urban League. So anyone who would like to know more information, call us here up at the Urban League, 833-1461, or visit our website at ulpbc.org and send us call us, and let's see how maybe we can help you. Thank you.